In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your 1099 tax form from Instacart. Whether you're a seasoned Instacart shopper or you've just started, knowing how to access your tax forms is crucial, especially when tax season rolls around. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Instacart website. Make sure you log into your shopper account. This is specifically for those of you who are Instacart shoppers and need to get your tax information sorted. It's important to ensure you're using the correct account, as this is where all your records are kept. Once you're logged in, look for the tax exemption section on the site. Clicking this will lead you towards accessing your tax documents. It's a good idea to make sure you're familiar with the layout of the platform, so take a moment to navigate through and locate the sections more easily next time. In the tax exemptions area, you'll find an option to add form. This is the gateway to accessing and managing your tax documents. By clicking on add form, you are beginning the official process of retrieving your 1099 form. Take your time, as this step is essential in setting everything up correctly. Next, you'll need to select your state from the provided list. This part of the form is crucial because tax regulations can vary significantly from one state to another. Ensuring you select the correct state will help avoid any issues with inaccuracies in your tax filings later on. After selecting the appropriate state, the next step is to click Continue. Each step progresses you further along the path to successfully retrieving your form, and pressing Continue confirms your choices so far. It's a little checkpoint along the way. Now the main part begins, filling out your 1099 form. The form will require specific details regarding your earnings and, depending on your circumstances, additional documentation. Make sure you fill out each section carefully, double-checking for accuracy. This isn't just about following regulations, it's about making sure all your efforts throughout the year are reflected correctly in your tax documents. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through the processes to get your 1099 form from Instacart. Make a habit of staying organized and aware of tax seasons to make this as smooth as possible each year. If you have any further questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Instacart's support for assistance. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey through tax season.